The Amazon is the world's largest living pharmacy, where countless plants hold secrets to healing. Indigenous peoples have developed encyclopedic knowledge of medicinal plants, passing it down through generations. Modern medicine owes much to the rainforest. Quinine for malaria cure, for surgery, and more. Yet, less than 1% of Amazonian plants have been studied for medicinal value. Hidden within could be cures for cancer, Alzheimer's, or future pandemics. But with every hectare lost, we risk burning the library before reading its books. Protecting the Amazon is a matter of human health as much as environmental survival.